Hey, thank you for joining. Today I'm going to show you how to install SOCTalk in your infrastructure in a couple of minutes. First of all, you need four things: a Proxmox host with room for the VMS, a Tailscale tailnet and an API key, an SSH key for the machines, and a modal key for triage. You're going to install the Launchpad binary from the GitHub releases, verify its plugins, and then you're going to start a console. That console, it's a local web app, so you're going to point your browser here and you're going to drive the whole installation from three screens. Networks, where you're going to configure your tailnet information with API key and you're going to test that it's working. Host, this is your Proxmox server, and you're going to choose the platform, give it the API key, and test it before you rely on it. The new RAN assigns the machines to that host and takes the admin login for the control plane. Right here, the process becomes automated. It is creating the machines, joining them to the tailnet, and installing SOCTalk on each. It takes about 15 minutes, and then you're going to see that everything is cloned here on the Proxmox. And in the SOCTalk console, the tailnet comes online within a couple minutes or two, running its own SOC attack. A built-in attack simulator runs techniques against the tailnet endpoint, and each one arrives as an investigation, newest first. All of them first pass from the model, and what the model cannot close becomes a pending review for a SOC analyst. That's it, actually. So you're going to be able to start your pilot at SOCTalk.ai.